Hi, this is Galit Goldfarb. Thank you very much for joining me. Today I'm going to be talking about healthy natural alternatives to commercial deodorants. The most commonly marketed deodorants make many promises, such as keeping your armpits dry and keeping you smelling good all day. However, what's never mentioned in deodorant commercials are the potentially harmful ingredients like aluminum, parabens, and additives that may heighten your risk for breast cancer, weaken your kidney function, cause acne, hair loss, and thyroid issues, just to name a few, as they seep into your body through your skin. In addition, there is still much to study on the long-term effects of antiperspirants on our health. Fortunately, there are healthy, natural alternatives to commercial deodorants worth considering. The first one is apple cider vinegar. Now, I know this may make your face cringe, but while we do have sweat glands all over our bodies, more body odor tends to come from our armpits because they're located in a fold and they don't dry as quickly. Human sweat is generally odorless. It has no smell, but it's the bacterial growth and decomposition that results in the body odor. Therefore, minimizing the smell coming from sweaty armpits starts with managing the smell-inducing bacteria. Apple cider vinegar is known as an antiseptic and is also often used to dry out pimples because of its antibacterial effect. A study led by the team from the Department of Natural Sciences in the School of Science and Technology in Middlesex University, London, concluded that apple cider vinegar has multiple antimicrobial effects, including antifungal activity as well. Apple cider vinegar may be smelly. However, the smell disappears very fast. So rather, you also want to make sure that the way you put it on your body is environmentally friendly. So instead of using cotton balls every time, you can just put it into a bottle with a spray and a mini spray bottle filled with the apple cider vinegar, and just apply it to your body as a deodorant every day. Now, you also want to consider changing your diet. In a study identifying how sweat leads to odor generation, researchers observed specific bacterial enzymes that produce odor molecules like fatty acids, acetic acid, and thioalcohol. These bacterial enzymes come from the foods that we eat. Therefore, our diets do play an essential role in the smells that we secrete from our bodies, which is quite obvious, but often we don't even think about it. Now, studies have shown that certain foods have unpleasant effects when skin bacteria metabolize our acidic sweat. Alcohol, for example, when you drink alcohol, it gets metabolized into acetic acid, which is secreted into your sweat. The same applies to red meat, which contains a smell-inducing sulfur. Therefore, a clean diet may help minimize body odor and the need to rely on commercial deodorants. Now, if you want to prepare your own deodorant, here are a few ingredients you want to consider. The first one is coconut oil, along with cornstarch and baking soda. Both coconut oil and baking soda are known for their antibacterial effects. Now, cornstarch, on the other hand, has an antiperspirant effect, similar to store-bought deodorants. Cornstarch is also, it's interchangeable with arrowroot. Both are starch thickeners, so you can use them in identical quantities. Just replace one for the other. Now, coconut oil, cornstarch, and baking soda are often used as deodorant alternatives also individually, so you can use just one of them and not all of them together. However, when mixed into a paste all together, they become an excellent homemade deodorant that's very easy to apply. You just wipe it on your armpits, under your armpits every day. Now, some optional additions that you want to consider are essential oils that you like the smell of them. A helpful tip would also be to keep the mixture in a cool, dry place, because it does tend to liquefy when you're living in a hot country, or when it's kept in a hot cupboard, but that doesn't really matter. You could just stir the ingredients together and then apply it to your body. It's also important to state that a study on coconut oil's antibacterial and immunomodulatory activities showed that this coconut oil has an inhibitory effect on certain infection-causing bacteria, especially Staphylococcus aureus. Now, coconut oil also has functional ingredients such as capric acid and caprylic acid. These inhibit the growth of bacteria. Now, magnesium is another beneficial ingredient for deodorants. It acts as an antiperspirant. It helps kill the bacteria on the skin surface, providing a natural deodorant, while also not blocking your sweat ducts. You may purchase magnesium as a supplement, and if it's If it comes in tablet form, then you can just crush the tablets and add it to the mixture, to the coconut mixture, or you can open it if it comes in a capsule and put it into your coconut mixture to add the benefits of magnesium. Now, the great thing about all of these ingredients are that firstly, they are white, so they don't stain your clothes when you sweat, such as yellow things do tend to do. And also, you can buy them everywhere. So even if you forget your deodorant when you're on a trip, you can easily and quickly and cheaply buy these ingredients and prepare your own. Now, there are also natural deodorants on the market that you may purchase. All you need to do is examine their ingredients. If these natural deodorants have pretty much similar ingredients as the ones that I mentioned in this video, then they are great options, saving you the hassle of preparing your own. Now, to conclude, while commercial deodorants boast many benefits, the truth is that they may contain potentially harmful ingredients that may put your health at risk. So you want to consider healthy alternatives and lifestyle changes that have the same odor eliminating and antiperspirant effects. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel if you like these type of videos about natural healing methods. Also visit my website, thegorilladiet.com, to help you lose weight, achieve health and wellness in a natural way. Thank you very much for joining me.